Motivation Power, Training Guide, Chapter 5, Great Tactics to Increase Your Motivation Levels. Do you want some great tactics to increase your motivation levels? Of course you do, otherwise you wouldn't be reading this book, would you? Be sure to read every word of this chapter because the tactics that we will reveal will help you to overcome feelings of laziness, procrastination and any other problems that are causing your motivation levels to be low. You may be familiar with some of the tactics that we are going to explain here. Of course you don't have to use all of them, and some of them may require you to move out of your comfort zone. But these tactics work, so be brave and use them to your advantage. 1. Using photographs. This is a great tactic if you want to lose weight, but you can use it for other goals as well. Take a selfie of how you look right now and print it off. Post this picture somewhere we will see it regularly. Then find some photographs of people that are in the shape that you want to be in. Post these by the side of your photograph. This tactic really works. If you need motivation to continue with your diet plan, for example, just take a look at your picture and the picture of the person who is in the shape that you want to be in. It will get you excited and help to boost your motivation. If you have a goal to make a lot of money, then post pictures of the things that you truly desire, such as luxury cars, a big house, a yacht, or whatever else you want. You can use an editing tool like Photoshop to position yourself inside the car or the house that you really want. This is a great way to drive up your motivation levels. 2. Start a vlog on YouTube. This one is a bit more ambitious, and you may be reluctant to do it, but it is a really great way to keep you motivated. If you're worried about what other people will think about you, then you can just make your videos private so only you can see them. By creating simple vlog videos, you can see how far you have come on your journey to achieve your goals. If you need extra motivation, you can go back to the earlier videos to see the progress that you have made to date. So if you want to lose weight, for example, create a video where you record what you look like before you started your weight loss plan. It is a good idea to be accountable for your goals. So be brave and make your vlog public on YouTube. People will be interested in your journey and will be eager to see your progress because it will inspire them as well. If you get negative comments from people, then just ignore them. You should find that a lot of your followers will leave encouraging comments for you, which will really help with your motivation levels. This accountability will be really helpful to you and should prevent you from going off track and sticking to your goals. Even if you only have a few followers that support you, it is going to be very embarrassing having to tell them that you have failed. 3. Have a reminder system. We have already touched on the subject of a reminder system in the goals chapter. Having a reminder system can be really effective, which is why we are talking about it again here. One of the easiest ways to create a reminder system is to use a journal and make entries in it every day. When you make entries in your journal, be sure to record all of your thoughts and feelings as you continue on with your journey. You will be able to look back in your journal to see the progress that you have made, and this will certainly help to increase your motivation levels. If you want to use technology, then why not start a blog? You can use this in a similar way to a journal by making posts each day about what you have achieved and how you feel. There are a number of free blogging services that you can use for this. It is very likely that you will get visitors to your blog, which provides a level of accountability. 4. Regularly post your results. An easy way to drive up your motivation levels is to post the results of your previous achievements in the pursuit of your goals. This can be as simple as having a whiteboard in your home where you can post photographs or anything else that reminds you of your past achievements. We recommend that your whiteboard with your results is in a place that you will visit often, such as the kitchen, your bedroom, or even the bathroom. Seeing your whiteboard on a regular basis is key to boosting your motivation levels. How about using social media to record your results? Are you brave enough to do this? Everybody has a few friends and followers on social media, and again, this is a great way to achieve accountability. It is really easy to post pictures of your results so that people can see how well you are doing. You don't want to let your friends down now, do you? 5. Create a new routine. Creating a new routine is one of the best ways that you can stay motivated and achieve your goals. It is important that you break your old patterns and your old routines because it is unlikely that they have supported you. What you are going to do here is developing habits that will support the achievement of your goals. Old habits can be really hard to break, but if you replace your current daily routine with a brand new one, this will certainly help you. It is going to take some discipline to maintain a new routine, but the benefits will certainly be worth it. Start your new routine off by setting yourself daily goals. This is as similar to creating a to-do list for each day. It is really important that you find the time to go through your list and perform the tasks that are on it. It is going to take around 4 weeks of persistent action to make your new routine a habit. During this time, you need to be really persistent and determined so that you don't fall back into your old routine. After using your new routine for 4 weeks, you will find it really easy to continue with it and provide the ongoing motivation that you need to achieve your goals. In the next chapter, we are going to give you some proven tips for a quick motivational boost.